here at the OSU South Centers today for our Youth Cooperative Leadership Experience.
This event is actually for high school juniors and seniors to be involved, to be able to get some information, not just about what South Centers is all about, but also for career endeavors for the future.
We are touring their facilities here. So far, we've toured the aquaculture, we've toured their experiment field and their greenhouse.
Coming here, there's so many different activities, so many things to see. We have students that are doing soil analysis, DNA extraction, learning how to crossbreed plants.
It gives them that true immersive experience, and it's something that's kind of long-lasting. We learn best by doing and sharing experiences.
That's not always something that we can provide on a daily basis within our class, but we can bring them here for this type of activity and they can get a full immersion of those activities.
I realized they're really engaged into the activities and they're trying to find the mother plant and how to open the flower, how to use the tweezer.
It was kind of neat to see how the mother or female plant and the father can interact with each other.
They're a lot of fun for them and also for me.
A part of our mission with the Center for Cooperatives really is to do education around the cooperative business model. We bring in some folks from industry, particularly from cooperatives in the local community, who talk to them about career opportunities, job opportunities that might be interesting to them.
There's so many employers out there that are seeking really great talent, and the students that show up to events like these are going to be the ones that continue to rise the tide, and they're going to continue to reinvest in the industry that feeds, fuels, and provides fiber for the world.
It's really important for the students to be able to get out about, see what's available right here in their own home communities.
It's a great program for students, an awesome opportunity from the South Centers here that they put on, and we're just thankful for it.